Hello everyone, myself Sumit Kumar Sahu, PGT Computer Science, Kendriya Vidyalaya Babina Kent. In this video, we will discuss about digital society and netism. Okay, so let's begin the topic. Digital society and netism. Okay, so what is the meaning of digital society and netism? Uh, I am going to explain this. Anyone who uses digital technology anyone who uses digital technology along with internet is a digital citizen or a netizen. It means any person who uses digital technology along with internet is a digital citizen or a netizen. Being a good netizen means practicing safe, ethical and legal use of digital technologies. A responsible netizen must abide by net etiquettes, communication etiquettes, and social media etiquettes. So, we will discuss these etiquettes one by one. First is net etiquettes. We follow certain etiquettes during our social interactions. Similarly, we need to exhibit proper manners and etiquettes while being online. So these are the different net etiquettes that we have to follow, that we must follow. First is be ethical, second is be respectful, third is be responsible. So what is the meaning of be ethical? Be ethical means that no that there should be no copyright violation. We should not use copyrighted materials without the permission of the creator or the owner. As an ethical digital citizen, we need to be careful while streaming audio or video or downloading images and files from the internet. Okay. Be ethical, be ethical means also we should share the expertise. It is good for to share information and knowledge on internet so that the others can access it. However, prior to sharing information, we need to be sure that we have sufficient knowledge of that topic. It means that whenever we are uploading some data and any specific topic on the internet, so we should have sufficient knowledge on that topic, and the information shared should be true and unambiguous. So make sure that whatever you are sharing, that should be true and unambiguous. So also, in order to avoid redundant information, we should verify that the information is not available already on the internet. So whenever we are sharing any resources, whenever we are sharing any document on the internet, we must verify that the information is not available already on the internet. So this is the meaning of be ethical. Be ethical means first is no copyright violation and second is share the expertise. Second, be respectful. Be respectful meaning we should respect the privacy. As a good digital citizen, we have the right to privacy and the freedom of personal expression. At the same time, we have to understand that other digital citizens also have the same rights and freedoms. Our, our personal communication with a digital citizen may include images, documents, files, etc. that are private to both. We should respect this privacy and should not share those images, documents, files without any other digital citizen, with any digital citizen without each other's consent. It means that we should not share any document without the permission of any other digital citizen. Okay. Be respectful also indicates that we should respect the diversity of people in a group or public forum. We should respect the diversity of the people in terms of knowledge, experience, culture and other aspects. Okay. Third point is be responsible. Third point is be responsible. We have discussed be respectful. Be respectful means that we should respect the privacy and we should respect the diversity, and be responsible means there are some responsibility of digital citizens, digital netizens. First is avoid cyberbullying, any insulting, degrading, or intimidating online behavior like repeated posting of rumors, giving threats online, posting the victim's personal information, sexual harassment, or comments aimed to publicly ridicule a victim is termed as cyberbullying. It implies repeatedly targeting someone with intentions to hurt or embarrass. Okay, and second is don't feed the troll. Don't feed the troll. Don't feed the troll. Be responsible also means that we should not feed any troll on the internet. Internet troll is a person who deliberately sows discord on the internet by starting quarrels or upsetting people by posting inflammatory or off-topic messages in an online community just for amusement. Since trolls thrive on attention, the best way to discourage troll is not to pay any attention to their comments. So these are the uh, three net etiquettes that every digital citizen should follow. First, be ethical. Second, be respectful. And third is be responsible. As now the second etiquette is social media etiquettes. As we all are using social media, so whenever we are using social media, we should remember these points: be secure and be reliable. Be secure and be reliable. Be secure means that we should choose password wisely, and be reliable means that whatever we are uploading, we can upload almost anything on social network. However, that once uploaded, it is always there in the remote server, even if we delete the files. Hence, we need to be cautious while uploading or sending sensitive or confidential files which have a bearing on our privacy. Okay, so these are the two social media etiquettes that every digital citizen must follow. Be secure, be reliable. Means whenever we are using social media, any social media website, first we need to make sure that we should be secure and we should be reliable. Okay. Third is communication etiquettes. Communication etiquettes. There are three things in communication etiquettes. First is be precise, second is be polite, and third is be credible. Be precise means that respect time. We should not waste precious time in responding to unnecessary emails or comments unless they have some relevance for us. Also, we should not always expect an instant response as the recipient may have other priorities. Respect data limits. Second is respect data limits. For concerns related to data and bandwidth, very large attachments may be avoided. Rather send compressed files or links of the files through cloud shared storage like Google Drive, Microsoft OneDrive, Yahoo, Dropbox, etc. Be polite. Second is be polite. Be polite means that whenever the communication is synchronous, happening in real time like chat, audio, video, or asynchronous like email, forum, post, or comments, we should be polite and non-aggressive in our communication. We should avoid being abusive even if we don't agree with the other's point of view. So this is the meaning of be polite. Be credible. Third is be credible. Be credible means we should be cautious while making a comment, replying or writing an email or forum post, as such acts decides our credibility over a period of time. That is how we decide to follow some particular person's forum posts while ignoring posts of other members of the forum. On various discussion forums, we usually try to go through their previous comments of a person and judge their credibility before relying on that person's comments. So these are the some etiquettes that every digital citizen must follow: net etiquettes, social media etiquettes, and communication etiquettes. So this is the detailed discussion about all these three types of etiquettes, and I hope that you understand all these things very well. So with this I am going to end uh, this particular topic, digital society and netizen. Thank you.